Good afternoon. This is Ken at Tortoise Capital with the closure report for April 16th, 2020. Market was a quiet 0.43%. Doing better than the market today was emerging markets, Wynn, Home Depot, Apple, McDonald's, Treasury, Tech, Caterpillar, Tesla, Healthcare, the big winner, Inversed Oil, Wheaton Precious, and Walmart, number one in the stack. Amazing. Worse than the S&P today. Euro-Asia, diamonds, materials. There's U.S. steel, lumber, Mexico, small caps. So large caps, Dow 30, small caps, Japan, real estate, oil, financials doing bad, energy worse, getting crushed. Energy, Devon Energy, Cliff Natural Resources, Boeing, Virgin Galactic, and big loser in the commercial real estate. Reality setting in. So here was yesterday's range, and today was an inside day. Let's march the days over by one. Uh, 10-day. So 10-day low remains in place, 10-day high remains in place, today's high, today's low remains in place. Price got a little bit better. This was Monday's opening. Need to fix that from yesterday. Now coinciding with the skin of the dragon. Let's put this at the middle of the dragon, southern skin of the dragon. And that's the RL90. This is the intersection of the Bollinger Band mean and the 30 period. Now, when the RL30 crosses the SMA 30, that's actually an important indication. We have treated that in the past as a sign of the official end of this run. So on the initial breakdown, this is where the RL30 crossed the SMA 30 and this whole ride down. And then it reverses. Now we get an owl entry right in here. And now this thing has rolled up and now it's crossing. Now, if this were to get across, so if this Bollinger Band mean river comes down to about here and then this continues up at the current rate, we would expect the beginning of upward trending behavior to occur right about here when this RL30 should cross the upper skin of the north shore of the river. So I'm going to put a blue line right about there and say that's when we expect it has to get above this green line if this is really going to be valid as a third leg going. So it's got about 1, 2, 3, 4 days to make that move. If it doesn't break out in 4 days, then the downside is even more deadly. Okay, we're going to raise the PSAR to here. That was a big jump today. The time series is starting to put a little pressure on that. So it's almost, if you were to draw trend lines, you would almost expect this to go like that, and this trend line to go like that, and price has to This RL30 has to get above. Yeah. So this is about where that cross is going to occur. So it should really be like right about here. So we got about 3 days. Yeah, about 3 days. So the sell-off is still at about 17% off the top. 30-day high is still in place. 30-day low is still in place. So PSAR flip, 10-day low, edge of the river, belly of the dragon is important. Belly of the 10, peak low. Upside, 1-day high, 10-day high, fair value. That's the floodplain. 30-day high, significant. This is the peak of the RL 270 long-term fair value. I'm going to remove that. Peak of the 10, peak of the dragon. So that's what we're looking like still in the summer. Still have a long side bias. Let's see if the speed run will cooperate here. Alcoa we covered yesterday. Right. Today was pretty poor in all of the materials. We're just going to keep stocking that one. I think I'd be willing to get short if it collapsed out of the river, though. Yeah. I think that's our play. We'll play if it breaks out above the top of the 10, so we don't get trapped too early. That's the trade frame on that one. Apple. We got the breakout. So we're going to be long from here. And short, or actually exit at the edge of the dragon skin. I'll add here and add there. Aussie dollar. Got a breakout entry. Oh, to the downside, I should say. And we'll play that as our exit here. Okay. I will add here and here. And there. Boeing. Nothing yet. Getting close. Caterpillar. We're still short from here. Stop is still here. I'm going to bring my stop down to the PSAR. Cliff, we're short one from here. We got another one short today. Gonna move our, place our stop right there. Cisco, we're still long one. It recovered after the morning shenanigans, so we're still going to keep those in play. Timber, our stop got hit. I hated that one. Golly, I hated that one. Oh, as you were, that was our stop, and today we actually got short that one. Good. We're going to play that to the top of the RL10. So now short from here, we'll add, yeah, I think that looks good, and here. Chevron energy was really bad all day. That one did hit our exit. Oh no, it didn't. Sorry. I was expecting it to, though. Still close. Devon Energy. That got smashed today. And we got short. Add another one here. And I think, yeah, we'll still add one there. Emerging markets. We still have 2 positions long. We'll add a third one up here. Stop is still okay there. Euro-Asia, nothing. Still stalking. Japan, still long ones. Stop still in place. I'll still add here and here. Mexico. Our stop was hit today. So we'll start that intraday only. Just clear the deck on it. Still long one on Brazil. Stop in place. We're okay. Home Depot. Nothing. Yeah, I'll still add there. And get short another one here. I think I'm going to use this. Russell. Still an open position. Long from here. Stop is here. Real estate, nothing. McDonald's, stalking. Nothing here on the energy. Triple inverse oil. Got long that one today. Stop here. Silver. Our stop was hit yesterday and we're just stalking. Virgin Galactic. Our stop got hit. We took that one intraday on the. You'll see that when we do the turbo trade. So we locked in a pretty good gain on that one. Tough times for swing trading. This one we stopped yesterday and got short today here, and a second one here. You'll see that one on the turbo trade. So that's a new trade from there. So, too short. Stop is here. We're going to move that stop down to about here. S&P have gone through. Still long, lack of volatility. Treasuries. Good to go. Got a second entry on treasuries. Move their stop up to here. Tesla. Close, no cigar. Almost ready to add another position, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 in that one. Getting ready to add a fifth. Oil. We got our short position here. Leave our stop there. Second entry short here. Leave the stop there. You'll see that one when we do the SCO intraday trade. That was pretty good. Walmart. Got two entries into Walmart today. Both of these paid for with markets money. And we got an earlier entry than this one because you'll see when we get to it, it's pretty nice. Where do I want to add another position on this one? Yeah, if it breaks out above today's high, I'm just adding another one. Let's move our stop just to there. Okay, so too long in Walmart. Wheat and precious metals, got our entry. And our stop here. Win. Still long. US Steel. Nothing. Materials. Nothing. Energy. Short. Put our stop there. Okay. Financials. Short. there. We'll add a position here and here. Okay. And there. So we'll add 1, 2, and 3. Tech. That was working today. Still all okay. I'll add here and here still. Healthcare. Got our entry. And back to Alcoa.